Okay. So if you have not installed at all, okay, 2022, fantastic. Oh, somebody has got Visual Studio 2022 for Mac. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so today we are going to be focusing on the Visual Studio. I think I can see that quite a number of people have installed it, and which is fine. That is great. However, if you have not installed it and you have your laptop already ready for the installation, I would ask that you all pay attention so that you can follow and enjoy this class. And if you have installed whatever we do here today, you can also go back and help your team members so that they can actually get into it and finish up their installation. It's really easy to install, but we want to make sure that people get their installation ready. So why are we doing this now? So as a QA, one of the things that you would need to do, probably if it's your first project and you're in like sprint 1, like you are now, there's a possibility that you would need to install your Visual Studio IDE whilst you're waiting for your test for the user stories to get ready, or if the your developer is working on the user stories and you've finished writing your manual test cases, and you've been employed as an automation tester, or you're doing both manual and automation testing, you would need to get your Visual Studio installation. You need to get your Visual Studio installation done. So I'm going to be sharing my screen now so that we can get this started. So if you can see my screen, just put 1 in the chat. Can you see my screen now? Okay, I can see that you can all see my screen. Okay. So what are we going to be doing here? We want to install Visual Studio, and Visual Studio is an IDE. It's an integrated development environment. And why do you need Visual Studio? You need it to be able to get your development, automation testing development work. You need it to be able to get it done. Visual Studio is a Microsoft product and is used for development of websites. So if you have your laptop in front of you, can you just get it ready? Because we're going to follow through this process together. So if we're all ready, let me know, everybody. Great. Are we all ready? Okay, thank you. So this is what we are going to be doing. We are going to follow through these steps to install your Visual Studio. And we are installing the Visual Studio community. And the reason why we are installing the community edition is because this particular edition is free. And you might get to a place of work as well. They would probably have other editions. They could have the Visual Studio Professional. There's Visual Studio Ultimate. Yeah. And all of these are paid for. You pay for the licenses to be able to use them. But sometimes the Visual Studio community could equally help you to do the work that you need to do for your team without you needing a professional license or ultimate license to do that. So it depends on the company you're working for. So there are some capabilities that this and other licenses would have that you may not find with the community. But generally, I would say the community is equally good. So first, you're going to get the link to Microsoft Visual Studio download page. And you're going to click on the download. That's the first step. When you do that, you would get that downloaded into your computer. And on your computer, it goes straight into the download folder. You have to search for Visual Studio Setup and double click on it. And then the installation starts. It is really, really easy and simple to use, to install. And once you are step 3, please note, it can take a while for some people to finish up. From experience, if your laptop is very old or you don't have enough storage space, you could meet with some glitches, which is expected. But in the end, you would get there, and then you'll be able to launch your Visual Studio IDE. So if you want to start with the step 1, if we make a start with the step 1, you would find yourself on this page, either of this page. So this is a link. And this is another link. Okay. And if you click on this particular link, this is an hyperlink. If you click on this, it takes you to that page. And this is what you're going to see on your screen. You'll see the Visual Studio community. All you just need to do is to click on the download. And if you go through this other link, you would find these 3 options right in front of you. Okay. And you can click on the Visual Studio community and free download button. So that is it. So at this point, just so that we all get hands-on and we are able to follow through, I have it installed on my system already, but I would like us to go through it with somebody who is ready to volunteer to do this. If that is fine. Do we have any volunteers? Which teams are represented back here? Let's see. Okay, I can see. Okay, yeah, all right. Which of the team is represented here? Let's Epsilon. Okay, all the teams are represented. Okay, who responded first? I like the people who are usually like really quick and bold to start. So Abdul Ghaffar, do you want to share your screen with us? Admin, please. And just before we share, are you using a Windows laptop? You can unmute to respond. Can everybody hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay, Abdul Ghaffar, you have a Windows laptop and you have enough space in your laptop, or you're not sure? Okay. So regardless, whatever glitches you get to, we would resolve that. Okay, admin, please give Abdul Ghaffar the opportunity to share his screen, and so that we can walk through. I always like it when we can get one of our students to actually do this, so that others know that we are not just giving you theoretical things, you're actually getting answers.
Go ahead.
Okay, fantastic. I can't see Abdul Ghaffar sharing. Are you there? Oh, can you make Abdul Ghaffar co-host so that he can share? He's not able to share.
I think I've shared it.
Okay, all right. Can you, yeah, okay, beautiful. So we can't see your screen yet.
Okay. This is my screen.
I think you're using two devices, so you might need to mute one or switch that off.
Okay, is it better now?
Yes, it is better now.
Okay.
So I'm dropping the link for the installation here. I hope you can click on it. Please, if you are in front of your laptop, just click on it. We have 30 minutes. This installation doesn't take up to that. Okay, so it is good. We are all here with our laptops. If possible, close down any application that you have open. If you have YouTube open, you have Telegram open, everything that should be in front of you right now should be the Zoom link and your browser. Okay, so let's not get anything complicated in this situation. Let's make sure we all enjoy this and we are able to install and go back and show whoever is not here in our team how to do it. The automation is really easy. You just need to be able to follow. Okay, thanks.
Sorry, Pat, very quick question. How about we that we've downloaded it? Do we need to download it all over again, please?
If you've installed it, that is fine.
Yes,
so what I'm going to do, if we have time, I would like to see what you have in front of you if you've installed it already. Is that okay? So Liz does, yeah, I am going to call you. Please don't go away. All right. Oh, you say you can't click on the link. Okay, all right. Okay, sorry about that. I'm just, okay, I get why. All right, so I'm just going to send you the link. Okay.
I think you sent it already.
No, it's not clickable. I know why. Okay.
This one.
So that is it in the. Okay, I'm looking at Abdul Ghafar's screen now. Yeah. Okay,
yes,
I'm going
I
to
click on the one it downloaded something for me.
Oh, you are able to click. Okay, now others, please click on the link in the chat if you haven't downloaded it. This is really a quick process, so let's follow through. Okay. All right. So as you can see, that's the link. you get on the job, your day 1 or day 2, sprint 1 or sprint 2. Even if you get on the job in the middle of the sprint, maybe they've done sprint 47, then they employed you to come and do automation testing for them. First day, second day, at least you should know if it's a role that requires Visual Studio, Selenium WebDriver. Just know that for you to be able to say at the stand-up, oh, I did this yesterday, this is one of the things you need to know how to do. So you install your Visual Studio Community. That is it. Download it. You click on download. Yeah. So let's follow. How many people are on this page yet? If you are not on this page, let us know. We're going to wait for you. Okay. Okay, if everybody is there, can you all unmute and say, I am there, I'm ready.
I am there, I'm ready.
Fantastic. So somebody is not here. Anna, what is going on? You said
I'm
you're
not
on
there,
this page.
please.
Okay, what's going on? Okay, before we started, I said, if possible, close every window and just leave your Zoom and your Google browser or Edge browser open. So who is not there? Who is not there? Who is not there? So if you're not there, do you want to just use the raise hand icon so we know why you're not there? I think everybody is there because no one is saying anything. Anna, are you there? If you click on that link, you should land on this page. Okay, you've downloaded it. Okay, that's fine. No, that download is all where we need to get to now. Ayokule, that is fine. Just download it. So where we need to get to now is the point where you have downloaded. Now, when you click on download, can you go to your Abdul Ghaffar? Have you done that? Okay.
Yes. I should download now.
Okay. So if everybody has finished download, just type 1 in the chat. Okay, can you say thank you for downloading Visual Studio? Okay, your download will start shortly. Then you see that in front of you.
Yes.
Abdul Ghaffar, you're not
Yes.
sharing your screen. Did you stop sharing?
This is
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Olumide. Who else is there? Okay, great. Wow, thank you, Samson. Thank you, Yemi. It says thank you for downloading. That is fantastic. Now, do you all know how to get to your download folder on your computer? So what we've done now, we've taken an action on the internet. Now we are going into our computer. We are going into our computer and you go to your download folder. Please, if you don't know how to get to your download folder, there is nothing wrong. Please say so we can help you. You need to be able to do all these things as an IT person, as a QA. Because you could be testing any application where you need to upload and download. So when you download, you need to know where to find it. By default, anything you download goes into your download folder. So, everybody okay? If everybody is okay, okay,
Yes.
that is good. Fantastic. Abdul Ghaffar, can you open up your download folder? Yeah.
Yes, this is it.
So we can't see your download folder, Abdul Ghaffar.
Okay.
Can everybody see his download folder?
Yes. No.
Okay, so you know what we're going to do?
Okay.
Abdul Ghaffar, can you see the Visual Studio? Can everybody see bottom left? Can you see Visual Studio setup.exe there?
I can see
bottom left on your screen.
Okay.
Can everybody, hold on a second, can everybody see it on Abdul Ghafar's screen? For you, it could be on the right or left. I don't know. Can you see it?
Yes.
So when you download, you need to be able to see that. Now, can you see that tiny arrow beside it?
In the download, Abby? Okay, yes.
In the, yeah, where you have Visual Studio Setup.exe. Can you see that tiny arrow pointing to the top? Click on it. Abdul Ghaffar, can you click on it, please?
Okay. Is it on the screen I'm sharing or the downloaded folder?
No, you've downloaded your screen. We can see your screen. Click on it from the screen you're sharing. It's just to show,
okay.
You know, we need to make sure we are covering everybody here.
From here.
Anna, you can't see his screen. You should be able to see his screen. Can everybody see Abdul Ghafar's screen?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Yes.
This screen, okay.
So, hold on, Abdul Ghaffar, bottom left, Visual Studio Setup.exe.
Okay,
yes.
this one.
That
okay.
arrow, yeah, click
this
on
one.
it.
Okay, okay.
Just click on it.
Yes.
Click on that arrow.
I've clicked on it.
It should show you something, open folder or something.
Yes, open, show in folder.
Oh, show in folder. Can you click on show in folder? I can't see it, but if you click on show in the folder, we want to be able to see your folder.
Yes, this is my folder. I don't know whether you can see my folder.
Okay, we can't see your folder.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay, hold on a second.
I'm there. Okay.
You are there, you can see it. Now, can everybody do that? If you have this tiny this icon in the bottom left on the screen, if you have that Visual Studio Setup.exe there, okay, some people can't see your screen. Okay, you know what? If you can't see your screen, can you log out and come back in again? I don't know what is happening, why you can't see, because you know it's not like
it seems be freezing. I think it's freezing. It's frozen.
It's not freezing. Can you click on hold the folder head and drag it to this screen?
Oh, okay.
At the head of that folder, you see that the whole folder, there's a head. Just click on it and push it to this screen you're sharing.
You mean the download folder?
Using. How many screens are you using?
Is one.
He's using one screen, yeah.
Yes.
And I think he's sharing, he's just sharing his deck. Okay. Can you stop share? Can you stop share? And when you click on share screen and just click on your desktop, share desktop. That's all you need to do.
Okay.
For you to have access to everything. Then you stop share and start share, and you select the option desktop. Then you have access to everything.
Desktop.
So Claude
I have
and
window,
Anna.
I have Chrome tab. I have window, I have Chrome tab.
Okay, so the thing is you need to know where
Okay, let me now share the download.
Yeah.
I've seen the download. This is the download now. This is the download.
Okay, yes. Can everybody see that? So if you go into your download, can you see in the File Explorer? So in the Windows Explorer, you can see user downloads. So you need to navigate to the downloads, because as soon as you download, your Visual Studio that you've downloaded from the internet goes into this download folder, and that happens to anything you want to install on your computer. So that is it. So if you can see this, please type 1 in the chat, because this is how you're going to be able to follow through.
Hello.
Yeah, fantastic.
I can see it, but I don't know how it got there because I had to log out and log in again.
That is fine. You don't know how it got there. You did something, okay? When I started, I said, first we start from the internet. I sent you a link. You clicked on the link. Then I said, click on download. You clicked on download. As soon as you click on download, it comes into this place, into this folder, the download folder. Do you understand how we got there now?
No, I want to know how to get to the download folder. That's my question.
Oh, you don't know how to get to your download folder.
Yeah,
Okay.
because it's still showing on my screen because I've splitted my screen into two. So it's showing me, thank you for downloading Visual Studio.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you need to go to your computer.
Yes.
So on your computer, you go to your computer Windows Explorer.
Yes.
You will see the download on the left. You know, the Explorer is like a folder. You're going to see it like, are you able to see it?
I'm on the Explorer, Microsoft Windows, like you said, but I can't see any download here.
Let me,
Okay.
can you see my screen? Let me try and.
I can see your screen, Abdul Ghaffar.
If you click here, Windows. I don't know whether your window is like my own, like this.
Okay,
if you click on this, can you see me? Can you see my screen?
I just need to get to where you are now. That's what I want to. I'm seeing
that's
download.
what I'm trying to show you.
From your own screen. Your own screen is not the same as mine.
Okay.
Okay. So
you can search download from this pane. Can you search?
Hold on a second.
Okay.
Okay. Hold. Okay. You know what?
Okay, I've seen download file, and I've seen Visual Studio.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, thank you for letting us know. So there are 58 people here. Once we start to work on automation, nobody is going to come back here to help anybody with downloading. You will have to come back and watch the video. So if you are here and you are stuck, like the last speaker, you need to let us know. You need to get past this place. Okay, I think everybody is fine. So now what you all need to do now, just double click on this Visual Studio setup. Just double click on it. Hold on a second. Yeah. So it's going to be different. For some of you, you are going to see, do you want to grant, are you sure you want to run this software? Another window could pop up for some of you. This app is trying to make changes to your computer. So you need to click yes or no if you want to do that.
Will I continue? I should click on run.
Okay, run, click on run. So if you are seeing something different, just click on yes, because you might see a different window pop up.
The procedure entry points could not be located in the dynamic link library. Should we click OK? It says the procedure entry point could not be located in the dynamic link library.
Okay, are you sure that is that because you clicked on run? Because you shouldn't get anything outside of the installation should start running.
Do you want us to click yes or?
Yes, just click on yes, because
Okay.
I knew that was going to happen for some of you. Yeah, just click on yes. Okay, Abdul Ghaffar, the moment you clicked on run, you should have your Visual Studio installer pop up. But that's the process.
Is an entry point not found? Visual Studio setup, entry point not found.
Entry point not found. Is any other person having that issue?
What I have here is it says before you get started, we need to set up a few things so that you can configure your installation.
Okay.
Then it has continue on that person.
Just click on continue. Abdul Ghaffar,
Yes.
Can you minimize your screen and I need to see what you're seeing, because I can't see what you say you're seeing.
Okay.
Just minimize that.
I've minimized it.
Okay. We are still on the same screen.
Okay. Maybe I
Or
should
you need
stop
to move
sharing
that.
this.
Okay, stop sharing and start sharing, because we all need to see what you're seeing. Now, what is every other person seeing? Let me put it in the chat. Let me see what you're seeing. Let me see what you're saying. If you because as soon as you double click and you've clicked on yes or run, your installer, the Visual Studio installer should display and you should see that you're installing something.
Okay.
Okay, everybody has gone quiet now. So I need to know what everybody is saying. Please, whatever
Can
you can do.
Can I share my
screenshot.
screen? Or right now I have sign in. That's what I have right now.
Sign in.
This is
Who is
what I can
signing
see.
in?
Sign into Visual Studio.
Okay.
Okay, don't sign in. You can see the option continue without code or something, or ignore. Don't sign it, just continue. Somebody says, do you want to install without workload? Do you want to install without? Okay. Okay, so Abdul, thank you for sharing this. And guys, also please pay attention. Don't go anywhere. So who else is having a challenge with the installation run? Or you can see something on your screen, like you can see a window and like you are seeing the installation process, you're seeing 20%, 30%, 80%. Okay, all right. I can see some people have even moved forward. All right. So somebody, Mary, I think Mary's, I can see what Mary is seeing. Okay, fantastic, Mary. Where you are, please, I'm sure everybody can see that. I just picked that up from the chat. If you are where Mary is, okay, just click on the .NET desktop development. .NET desktop development, bottom right, okay? Just check box on it and click on install. Just, there are two options there. There's install while downloading, there is install. Just click on install. So check box the .NET desktop environment, click the checkbox. So if you don't know what a checkbox is, can you see those square boxes right in front of all these other options there? So you go to the .NET desktop development, checkbox that square box, and click on install. Install is bottom left, just under the 1.13 gigabytes displayed. Yeah.
I'm stuck.
Where are you stuck?
The thing is, I wanted to, it says, do you want to continue without workload? Now I can see that you are saying that if we can find .NET desktop development, we should click on that one. But I've already clicked on something else. So it's showing me that, do you want to continue without workload? So it's not allowing me to click on the .NET desktop development, but I can see it. So it's just telling me that, do you want to continue or you want to add workloads?
You want to add workload, yes.
Okay.
Because all these options are workloads.
Okay. I've clicked on .NET desktop development now.
Okay, fantastic. So
install.
Is everybody okay? Just install, yeah. Install, that's all you need to do.
Okay.
Sorry, on my own
everybody
computer.
Fine now? Okay.
On my computer, when I asked you about the configuration, when you said I should click continue, after some time I saw downloaded, then I saw installed.
It says it's installed.
It's both. I saw downloaded at the top, but it wrote installed as well.
Okay, what Windows application are you using?
Windows 10.
Okay. Remind me, let's come back to you.
Okay.
I want us to quickly do something here. So is any other person stuck, or has everybody started to install?
Mine is installing on 59%, 60% already.
Fantastic.
Just
Is everybody?
please.
Yeah.
I'm on install while downloading, then install. But I could see some check boxes here that says net ASP.NET and web development. Do I need to click on that?
Okay, so that was what we just fixed with the other lady. Sorry, I can't see everybody's name because I have the screen in front of me. Bottom left, bottom right. You see .NET
right.
Desktop Development. Click on the checkbox and click on install. Okay. Who else is there? Because that's what you need to do.
All right.
You click on install and just wait. You're going to see your
Visual Studio 2022 downloading and verifying.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah,
just hold on. If you're in that position, just hold on and just wait until you get 100% on the two bars that are running.
Okay.
Top and below. Okay. So who else is stuck? Who else is stuck? Because I want us to be able to do.
Pat.
Hello. Yeah.
Now it's saying Visual Studio Community 2022 downloading 4%.
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. Well done. So you just wait until you get to 100% because that is where we are going.
So Visual Studio Community 2022.
Yeah, it has to be 2022. Thank you very much. Yeah. So we've got, hold on a second. I just want to say, I think some people don't want to talk. They are putting messages in here.
Sorry.
Abdul Ghaffar, we are coming to you. We are coming to it. And there's a reason why I said you should wait.
Okay.
My own was saying that this version of Windows is not supported. If you are running Windows 7, try installing Service Pack 1.
Okay.
Click here to learn more or check the system requirement for more information.
All right. Okay. So the reason why Windows 7 would not support Windows 7 is I can't remember when last I used Windows 7. It's really old. So you would need to upgrade your operating system to either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Also, one of the things you might need to do, you need to check if you can do that. And please, this goes to everybody in case you get into a situation where you're having that is not supported. So you need to find out what it supports and make sure you get what it supports for you to be able to do the work. It might not even be Visual Studio installation. You are at work, you need to download something, maybe an in-house application or whatever, and it's saying it's not supported. Don't panic. Whoever provided that link to you, just go back to the person and say, oh, I'm trying to install this. It says what I'm trying to do is not supported. Okay, if it's not something that you can do by yourself, you don't need to panic. Now, before I go on to every other person, Abdul Ghaffar shared this. Hold on a second. Let's finish with Abdul Ghaffar. So please pay attention. So Abdul Ghaffar is on the screen. He's saying he is getting an error message, and I'm going to say to you that I've never seen this before while trying to install Visual Studio. In my years of working on using Visual Studio, I have never seen this before. Okay, now we don't know one thing that could happen. Can somebody guess what could be going on with Abdul Ghafar's process of installation now?
Maybe the system is not capable of, it's old for this version, I guess.
You're right. It could be the system. His system capabilities fantastic. I even like that you are using that word. You are now sounding really technical. Well done. I think that's Yemi. So who else wants to guess? Take a guess. Okay.
You might have some antivirus.
Probably.
antivirus in a system that is preventing the installation as well.
Probably. Okay, so as a QA, we all need to pay attention to details. So he's saying this executable file, entry point not found.
Yeah, dynamic
Okay.
link library kernel. Yeah.
Okay, entry point not found. And then it says, he's telling us, giving us more details. It says the procedure entry point set default DLL directories could not be located in the dynamic link library kernel 32.dll. Okay, and you are wondering, because the first thing, if you are a newbie, the first thing you're really going to panic, because you're like, oh my goodness, oh, what is this? I thought I was just going to install and leave this place and tell them, yesterday I installed Visual Studio. You don't need to panic, okay? And you may, it will be really rare for you to get this kind of error. The reason is because they are going to provide a laptop that would work with whatever you want to use to you. Okay, so you are probably thinking, what is a DLL? A DLL is a library, and it just contains code and data that can be used by more than one program at the same time. That is what a DLL is. And it's sometimes you will see DLL files missing. I think in this situation, an error that might likely occur would be that a DLL file is missing or something. So what I would do in this case, first of all, I'll keep this, I'll make a note of this error, if you get what I mean, okay? Abdul Ghaffar.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll keep this error, maybe copy and paste it somewhere that I can see. And I will shut down my system, because obviously you have a lot of things open on your system.
Yes.
I said everybody should shut down my system and restart my system and go over the process again.
Okay.
That's the first thing I would do. Because I have a lot of Windows. I don't even know, we don't even know how many applications you have opened on your system. Do you get what I mean? So that's the first thing I would do, just to be sure, because I don't know what has gone, because what Windows operating system are you using?
Yes, I was going to say it's also 7. That's why I was smiling.
Oh, you're using 7 as well. Okay, we don't have any. Okay, so we know why.
So probably there are 2 reasons that could be now. It could be my window, it could be maybe that the library is.
Wow.
So I will try. I have Windows 10 too. I will try. I will try it.
Okay, you have Windows 10. Okay, you know what? You will need to it's even good. Both of you have Windows 7 and you have different errors coming up.
Yes.
Because Akinyemi said something else and you said something else. Guys, can you see what is happening?
Actually, I was thinking it's going to tell me that my window does not support it, but it didn't tell me that.
Okay. So guys, if you are using any Windows less than Windows 10 and Windows 11, you will not be able to do your work properly on this internship. So for the guys that have got Windows 10, please install Windows, the operating system Windows 10 on your system. You need to do that. So Windows 7 is really, Windows 7, 2004, and that's really long. So guys, this is 2023, okay? Thank you. So can you see, guys, that it was good that, because if I had done it on my system and I say that is it, all of you go away, you're just going to come back, keep asking, bombarding us with questions that I can't install, but you need to get this foundation right for you to be able to do automation very well. So who is at 100%? There's somebody had a question that I said, please hold on. Yeah.
Yes, I already downloaded and
should we launch?
I've launched mine.
Somebody else can share your screen.
Okay, please, can I share?
Hold on a second. Please let the other guy finish. We are supposed to finish this class at 9. Okay.
I just
it's
want
just
to know
to get us
if I've done the right thing.
What did you do? You clicked on all of these three. Well, if you have enough space, it's fine, but you only need to click on the .NET Desktop Development. You don't need the two above. You don't need those two above, to be honest.
Yeah.
So unclick the checkbox.
Yes, I checked the two.
Are you sharing already?
No.
This is apology.
Who is sharing his screen? Which screen is this?
This is apology screen.
Oh, Abolaji, you are sharing. So just uncheck the two at the top. Don't check them. Uncheck them.
Which one, please? Which direction? Check.
Okay, you got here and you have clicked on. Okay, do you know what a checkbox is?
No.
Okay, can you see all these tiny square boxes?
As a keyword, you need
no.
Blue. Okay.
No.
Okay, those blue one.
Yeah.
Yes.
You might have clicked on it and you didn't realize it. So can you see? No, not that. No. Oh my goodness. Can you click on that again, please? Just click on it. Just click on. No, the checkbox, that tiny box. Click inside it.
Tiny box.
Can you click inside that tiny box?
Is it the desktop and mobile, or which one?
That blue thing, yeah, it's a blue box.
That blue box.
Which one?
Hold on a second.
Hold on.
Please, can you allow me to speak? On your screen, no pressure. You can see remove and cancel.
Remove. Yes.
Can you click on cancel, please? Okay. Because we just had to put a stop to the action you just performed.
Okay.
Don't mess up this place. Now, on your top left, there's a tick inside a tiny blue box.
You mean this one?
Yes. Can you click on it? Fantastic. Can you move away to the second one on the right?
On the right, okay.
Yeah, and click on inside it. Yeah. Fantastic. So this is what, okay, can you move your cursor away from there? So when you got to this screen, none of these tiny boxes was checked. You probably clicked inside those boxes yourself and you didn't realize that you did that. So the moment you click on install, yes, and you get to this place, the only thing you need to click on is this one here. You clicked on it. I'm sure you did not even realize you clicked on it. You just click inside that checkbox. Can you see that tick, which is fine? That's the only thing you need to do on this screen. And the option I'm seeing here is modify. I don't know what you've done previously because you should only be seeing install. You probably have clicked on the install and you feel that you are stuck, and then you allowed us to see what you're doing. So just click on modify so that we are sure that so guys, if you got to that previous page and you had the opportunity to be able to click on install, because what you should have is install. Okay, this is the screen that you would get into. Okay, can you see 1% at the top, 1% at the bottom? And you wait till you get to 100%. That's all you need to do here. When this continues, you'll see three options. One would say launch. Another would say update or so. Maybe the third one would say remove. I'm not quite sure now, but you would see three options there. The only option you would need to click on is launch.
Launch.
L-A-U-N-C-H. Okay, thank you very much for
this. Yeah, please.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Has anybody gotten to the point where they have clicked on launch? Let me speak with the guys that already have it installed.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you very much. Thank you.
Yep, I've installed my own. I think I've installed everything. So, but now it's asking me to log in or to sign up.
Don't log in. You don't need to log in. You can log in. Don't log in now. You will still get to what you need to get to without logging in.
Okay, sign in.
I've got lunch. I've got lunch.
Also, when you click on launch, what do you see? Can you share your screen? I need to see your screen quickly. We are a bit.
1 minute.
So
I've opened mine. I've been calling.
we're sharing.
It's Mary. Can you see my screen?
We can't see your screen yet, Mary.
Oh.
It's not allowing.
Okay.
Admin, can you allow Mary to share? Okay, fantastic. Just click on launch, Mary. Yeah.
Okay.
Please follow what she's doing here and just wait. That's all you need to do. And you're going to see sign. So what you need to do if you get to this point, who knows, what did I say? Do not bother to sign in at this point.
So skip this for now.
Fantastic. Just click on that.
Okay.
Okay, now you can, the beauty of Visual Studio is like whatever mood you have, that's what I say. Some people like the screen to be black, some like the screen to be white, some like it to be blue. You know, I use the dark screen because I feel like I get to see the text clearly, you know. Yeah. So by default, the color themes, they are displayed there. So whatever you prefer, if you want the light, the blue, just select whatever you want and you click on start. So hold on a second, and I'm going to teach you something here as well. Who knows what a radio button is? You are testers. I already told you what a checkbox is. Who knows what a radio button is?
The round one with the black dot.
Okay, fantastic. You need to know these things as testers, okay? That is fine. So which theme do you prefer, Mary?
I leave it on the dark one.
All right, just click on Start Visual Studio. Is everybody following?
Yes, we are. I've come past all this stage.
Okay. Can you see that? That is what happens when you click on skip, okay? Yeah. When you get on the screen, the next thing to do is to click on continue without code. So we are going to be rounding up now.
Okay.
Okay. All right, fantastic. That is you. That is your Visual Studio. Congratulations to everybody that's gotten to this stage. If you are not there yet, you can close the what's new. You can close that tiny, close it. Yeah, that's your Visual Studio installed. Okay, so you all need to be on this page. And next class, we'll go further. But please, tomorrow you can go to your stand up and say, I installed Visual Studio IDE in preparation for my automation framework setup. Is that okay? So that is you done. Have a good